Good evening and welcome to another beachcombing adventure. This time we are exploring beaches at night with a black light to spot sea glass that glows. Spotted! Our first find is a piece of uranium glass or UV glass. Uranium glass is usually either a shade of lime green or yellow under a regular source of light. But when viewed with a black light, the uranium oxide that was added in the glass making process makes the glass fluoresce a glowing bright green. Wow, this is a huge piece of uranium glass. This piece is most likely from a plate, part of a set of uranium glass tableware. Uranium glass tableware was popular in the US during the Depression era. Here's something different: alabaster uranium glass. Unlike the usual transparent uranium glass, this one is opaque with a smooth, milky look, similar to alabaster stone. It was mainly used for decorative pieces like vases, cups, and bowls. This is a super rare find. This red and orange piece of sea glass glows under UV light, but it's not uranium glass. This piece is likely from some kind of signal or safety light, maybe part of a boat light or a car tail light. Fluorescent minerals were often mixed into the glass during production to enhance the visibility and reflectiveness of the glass. This made the glass more effective as a safety light. This thick piece of well-aged seafoam is likely from the handle of a vintage Coca-Cola mug. A massive and thick piece of pure yellow. Yellow sea glass is quite rare, and this piece could be from many different items like bottles, plates, and containers. Another piece of uranium sea glass. In the 1930s, uranium glass was sometimes distributed as promotional items in cereal boxes and at fairs. Uranium became scarce during World War II due to its use in the war effort, which led to a decline in uranium glass production. Public fears about the safety of uranium glass also led to a decrease in demand. However, uranium glass is still produced today by art glass makers for specialty items. This domino caught my eye because it was slightly fluorescent under UV light. It's actually part of a promotional domino set made by the cigarette company Winston, probably from sometime around the 1970s. Some older plastics like this will fluoresce, either due to the chemical structure of the plastic or the addition of fluorescent dyes used to make the material appear brighter. Uranium glass is not dangerous to humans because it contains such small amounts of uranium that we are actually exposed to more radiation from spending time in the sun than holding or using the glass. This looks like a uranium glass bead from a necklace. Uranium glass jewelry was very popular in the 1920s and 30s.